Morning. September 12th, 2024. My name's Tommy, and this is my channel, Mr. Market Structure. And I trade gold. Trade gold, either London or New York session. We got a couple more minutes before New York session starts. Let's see what we have going on today. We do have some news. September 12th, yes. Core PPI at 8:30. Unemployment claims at 8:30. Some red folders. So yeah. Gold is just a mess right now for me. Delete that. That was from yesterday. I'm gonna keep these purple lines here. These purple lines are indicators of where I would like to have strong sells at. 25.31.65 is it's like an all-time high. So if it comes up to that point, then of course I will be entering a buy. I'll be looking for a buy at least. And this 24.99.44 area that'll be quick sales, because it looks like we at the bottom. But I just like this little range, this little piece here. So about 50 pips, but we're a long ways away from that. But anywho, yeah. So we got news in about 30 minutes. We're gonna see what's cracking. See how she's gonna act today. On this wet Thursday here in Florida. Here in the Sunshine State, where it has been less than sunny these past couple of about a week. Haven't been able to hit the tennis court. None since last week. You know, trying to get my forehand and backhand in. You know what I'm saying? I need the forehand and backhand. But yeah. It's a beautiful day. A beautiful day. Beautiful day. A beautiful day. It's such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Let's check on Baba. Check on Baba. Up. Pre-market. We are up. A couple pennies. A quarter or two. Let's check on JD. JD. What they do, baby? Oh, we up a couple pennies. We up a couple pennies on JD. Got a couple leaps. Got some contracts. Got some contracts on JD. Got some contracts on JD that don't expire to December of next year. December of next year. December of next year. Got some contracts on JD. Got some contracts on Baba too, but they don't expire to June of next year. They don't expire until June of next year. And here's old trusty gold. Here's old gold. Like it's just ranging. It's just in that range. In this low range here. So I've just been buying and selling within this little range. Well, not little, but it's a wide range, but just been buying and selling. So like it's just been on the 4 hour. Something like that. So what is today's news? PPI? PPI? PPI. So it is projected at what? 0.2%. Greater than 0.2 is greater than forecast is good for currency. So if it's greater than that, if it's good for currency, then it's be bad for gold. And PPI is also called core finished goods, PPI. Core PPI for final demand. And then we have PPI. Let's see what this is also called. PPI, that's also called finished goods, PPI wholesale prices, PPI for final demand. And it is forecast at 0.1%. Greater than forecast is also good for currency. So if it's good for currency, it is bad for gold, supposedly. And then we have unemployment claims. Forecast is at 227. Actual less than forecast is good for currency. So if it's less than and it's good for currency, then it's bad for gold. So we got about 20 more minutes before news. 20 more minutes before news. And this has been a repeat for me. For me, it just looks like this. What I see on the hourly is just the projections. They come up here and get rejected. So if it comes up here before news, I'm thinking it's going to reject. I'm thinking it's going to reject. Or maybe it'll bust out. I don't know. But we just have to wait it out to see if she's going to bust out or she going to melt. If she start melting, then we can start selling. If she busting that, then we can start buying. You know? If she start busting that, we can start buying. If she starts selling, which she has been, once she reaches this point, then we could possibly look for some selling opportunities. Well, not we. Me. Well, I can start looking for some selling opportunities. So as she melts, she likes to get like she likes to create like Cuban links, bracelets, bangles, earrings, anklets, you know. Stuff like that. About 20 more minutes before news. 20 more minutes before news. What else is going on? Anything that I'm interested in? Lakers hire new G League coach. So, major burger chain files for bankruptcy. Widespread closure feared. This looks like BurgerFi. I go there every blue moon. I like their vegan burger. Is this BurgerFi? Aha. BurgerFi, a cherished U.S. burger chain known for its upscale offerings, has just filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy with a staggering debt load of $500 million. The future of the 162 eateries, including a brand new flagship store in New York, hangs in the balance. Damn it, man. It kind of seems like a lot of closures have been taking place from like Family Dollar, Dollar General, BurgerFi, Red Lobster, some more. But it seems like a lot of companies have just been, mailing it in or having to make some adjustments. We got Campbell Soup. Don't want to be called Campbell Soup no more because we more than that. We do more than just soup. Don't box me in. Just calling me Campbell Soup, bitch. I ain't Campbell Soup, bitch. I'm Campbell. Okay. Barnes and Noble. I made some money on Barnes and Noble on their options. I made some money with SoFi too. What's SoFi at? $7. Did pretty good with Square. What's Square at? Square not up here. AT&T, $21. I thought they were about $10. AT&T. They was giving out really good dividends. I think they cut that back. Verizon is trash. Them boys trash. They services at least. They service trash. What they stock look like? $43. Yeah, I buy it when they get to $3. VZ. What VZ? What that look like? Oh shit, they on the rise. Oh no, they. Huh. Look like it's. Goddamn Verizon. That shit trash. Their service trash. I haven't experienced any drop calls until I changed over to Verizon. No cap. block. I did pretty good with them too. But anywho, how do you get this off? Oh, there it goes again. I don't really know how to work this thing, man. I'm struggling, man. I'm struggling, man. Look at it, the weekly. Looking all nice and bullish. Look at the daily. Like it's all nice and bullish. Look at the daily. Look at the 4 hour. Looking all nice and bullish. Look at the hourly. All nice and bullish. Look at the 30. All nice and bullish. Everything that's looking bullish. Everything looking bullish. Everything. Even though 15 looking bullish. There you have it, folks. Looks like I should be bullish as well. It ain't rocket science, huh? It's not rocket science, but we're going to see. We're going to see. We're going to see how it be after 8:30. Ooh, wee. Ooh la la, we. I say Muhammad Ali. You say Clash is Clay. I say butter. You say parquet. It's alright if man. I like that song. Look at her. Look at her. 10 more minutes before news. 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 So, you know, what I like to do is I like to take my news and move it to my other screen. Move it to my other screen. And watch. And watch. As it unfolds. Fold. And fold. And fold. And fold. 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 And fold. And fold. That boy so cold. That boy so cold. He in his own zone. On. Yeah. I swear. That boy so cold. That boy so cold. He in his zone. Kevin Hart's ambitious vegan fast food chain suddenly closes all locations overnight. Okay. Now, why didn't I hear about him opening that? Because I guess I just wasn't looking. I guess I just wasn't looking hard enough, buddy. Guess you wasn't looking hard enough, buddy. Pal. South Africa's gold production drops for ninth month. Gold production in South Africa dropped by 3.5% year on year in July 2024, following a 12.6% decrease in the previous months. This marks the ninth consecutive month of decline. Ooh. So what does that mean for gold? On the whole, not much. Is this newsworthy? It's newsworthy. Let's see what the Dow Jones Newswire. Gold ticks higher ahead of producer inflation data. This as of today, gold prices edge higher on Thursday as traders await fresh U.S. inflation data after the CPI reading posted odds of a 25 basis point rate cut by the Feds. Futures trade 0.2% higher at 25.47 a troy onion. The probability of a 50 BP cut melted to 13%, pulling the probability of 100 BP cuts this year down with it. I don't even know what that means, to be honest. I'm gonna keep it a bean with you. I don't know what the quote probability of a 50 BP cut melted to 13%, pulling the probability of a 100 BP cut this year down with it. I don't know what that means. Futures trading at 25.47. I'm not on futures at the moment. And right here is 25.22. And everything is pointing bullish at the moment, from the weekly to the daily to the 4 hour to the hour to the 30 to the 15. You know what I mean? That's all I know. We're going to load this up. We're going to load this up. Oh, we're going to load this up. We're going to load it. Reload it. Reload it. Reload it. Let's see. I get no trade. Can I hold it? I'm loaded. Say I'm loaded. Intel. Let me see it. That was when I was looking at $19. Intel's looking Intel's looking like, man, you might want to be looking for a leap with that one. Do you think Intel just gonna go down like that? What's their ticker symbol? You think they just gonna go down like that, man? It is Intel. You know, they in the chip space. You know, they way down here. They way down there with it. They way down now. Oh, gee. They way down now with it. They way down now with it. I mean, goodness gracious. This is like some all time shit right there. Let me check on that later. We got 3 more minutes. Let's see what's going on. We got a couple more minutes. I believe even if it goes down, it's going to come back up. That's the way to cover both sides. Even if it goes down, it's going to come back up. That's the way you straddle the fence. Oh, I have my socks on. Oh, there's a wick on the hourly. So the core PPI came in at 0.03. 0.3, I'm sorry. Forecast at 0.2. Unemployment came in lower. Shit, everything came in goddamn lower. Man, this shit gonna go down. I think. I think she going down. But what do I know? Maybe I won't do anything. While she seesawing, let me warm up my puppies. Everything bullish though. I just said that. I just said everything was bullish. But I don't even see nothing. All these wicks over here. I can't do nothing with that. It's Wick City. Wick City. Yeah. I can't do nothing with that. She pumping on up though. Look at her go. Look at her go. Look at her go. Go on. Go on, girl. Go on with your bad self. Go on with your bad self. Now the news pointed it was good for currency. And typically when it's good for currency, it's bad for gold. But as we see, she's still going up. She's still doing her thing. So we might have to look for a trade doing NYSE, baby. And that's another hour from now. Possibly we look for a trade in NYSE. Possibly we look for NYSE. 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 Boy, don't you see? Gold is climbing. Might be before NYSE. climbing. She climbing and shining. Yeah, 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 yeah. Just wave your hands like you just don't care. 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 I'm bored. When I'm bored, I just start yapping and saying and just blurting out stuff. Market watch. Jobless claims inch up to 230,000. That's what it said here. But they ain't gonna let me read it because I ain't subscribed. They're gonna give me a little piece of it. Whatever. She climbing. Let me get to this one. What the freak just happened there, buddy? What the freak? My cousin used to always say that. What the freak? I thought that was so corny. What the freak? Shut that shit up. Man. It's almost like I should go into a buy. I mean, I ain't gonna even lie. I should be looking for a buy. After what I just said, I said everything was bullish, didn't I? I did. I ain't got a wick on the hourly yet. Well, a little tiny little something. Just gonna sit on our hands right now, to be honest. Just gonna sit on our hands. Or in my case, stuff them in this pouch. I wonder, is it gonna get up here and reject that? That shit might be on the road, boy. You sitting up here talking and this shit just growing and growing and growing. That shit ain't waiting for nobody. You hear me? Let's see. What you wanna risk? That'd be about 200. You know, it's about to blow, man. Yeah, come on back down. Come on back down, girl. We're gonna see. $25, 25, 75. What my TPB? Oh, here go my baby. Hello, baby.
Hello. I'm at the car dealership and we short $660.
You're short $600. Mm. Just gave you $700. That's what we like. That's what we like to see, baby. A 50 pipper. Way to go, buddy. Let's see what daddy could do for the girl. That's why. There's always something with this one. Decent week so far. She might go to 25, 40. But anywho, that's going to conclude this stream. Looks like I have to hop into some daddy duties and put on my cape and see what's going on. Until next time, protect your profits, manage your risk, and be safe out here in these candlestick streets. Peace.